The bumper removal has begun. Oh, look at that. That looks like a blooming robot. Hi guys, welcome to another video back on a Driven 24/7 channel, and today we're going to be starting the first modifications on my parents' 595 Competizione that we have behind me. So I'd be very grateful if you could subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get a little ding-a-ling notification every time a video goes up onto my channel. And let's get on to modifying the Abarth. We've got to get all this plastic stuff off first, have we?
Mm-hmm.
So we just removed, or Dad's just removed a bolt there.
Comes out.
Oh, then just taking all like the plastic housing off. So will we lose all this once it's in?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so we won't have any of the tarty up bits anymore. Ah!
Done.
Yay!
Yeah.
Hey! That was a bit of a struggle, wasn't it? God, look at all that. It's all like wires and all sorts. That looks totally bare now.
Stuff.
Look at all the wires. Blimey. We're just getting some more parts out before we take anything else apart. So this should be the sports cat in here, apparently. So apparently what this does is makes like all the air, I'll have to get my dad to clarify, is makes all the air go through the exhaust quicker sort of thing. I don't know what that bit is, but I'll ask him in a minute. So this stuff we actually got from another Abarth owner who had the white Trofeo, Tom. So my dad had ordered this set and then Tom was selling it, so we basically got this a bit cheaper than we would have done. But it's all forge. Where's the blow off valve then? Oh, is that it? So that's forge as well. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Nice,
And then the sports cat's that thing there. Shiny, shiny. Right, it's just about to take this bracket off. I think we're going to do the sports cat.
You've got a good day for it, remember?
Oh yeah, at least it's nice and dry. So where's the sports cat bit? Under here?
Underneath all this, I suppose.
Oh, blimey. Basically, we're just trying to take everything out off that's in the way, then, aren't we, really? And there's quite a lot to take off them.
Not too much, really. It'd be what it'd be, wouldn't it?
So yeah, I hope you enjoy me sort of doing this video. It's sort of a detail of how to do a sports cat and the forged induction kit. Like I say, the first modifications to my parents' 595 comp, with many more to come, including getting it lowered and spaces, I believe, in another video in the near future. A manifold.
Nice heat shield.
Oh. Yeah, that was close, wasn't it? I'm getting somewhere now. There's a bolt right down there that we're struggling to get to take the remaining of the rest of the heat shield off. So now Dad's underneath the car taking the under tray off, as we do need that off anyway. So we'll get onto that now. The bumper removal has begun. We think we might get more access as we can't get the access required. So we're going to try to take the front end off to hopefully reach some more bolts and continue. Disconnect some tings. Oh, she looks a bit sad. Her face is coming off. Got it? Yay! Have you seen where it says Abarth here, Dad, and this polystyrene stuff? Wow, look at that. That looks like a blooming robot. Taking the bumper off, we still haven't really gained access to the one tricky bolt on the heat shield, so we're going to start to take off the bolts to hopefully get this off and maybe get the rad off. They call it the rad, don't they?
Yeah.
Short terminology. And to hopefully get access to this pain in the butt bolt that's hiding right down here.
Well, some people squash it in, but obviously it's going to damage things, isn't it?
So you just need to come off anyway, ready for the exhaust bit.
Yeah, I just have too much room and not enough, isn't it?
Hmm. Big old bolts. That is thick. Thick plate. Yes.
Another one on. That's so crazy.
So after all that disassembly of the front end and making the car look like it's got wonky eyes, we finally got the access we needed to get these 2 bolts on the heat shield. So Dad's just getting them off now, and then we can progress really with the top half again, hopefully. Hallelujah! There is a God. It is off. It is off. Isn't it amazing how one bolt can make you take off the whole front end because you can't get to the damn bolt? Ooh. So now Dad's beginning to take off the downpipe so the new sports cat can go in its place, is it?
Which is the heat shield still.
Oh, we're still taking the heat shield off. Oh, okay, I've jumped a step too far forward there. Optimistic. So there's no fitting kit then?
No.
So that's the old one?
Yeah.
That's the new one. Is that the original heat shield?
Yeah, I think we need to put that on before we fit it, really.
So if there's no fitting kit, what we're gonna do, it's a brand new part with no fitting kit, guys. You can see the difference. Obviously the new one's more thinner at the top and more thinner tubing here. So yeah. So it's just taking a bit more longer than I expected. I've got a short attention span, but I've already been here for 2 or 3 hours. So me, Mum and Doggy are going to go off to a local garden centre, and hopefully when we come back it'll all be finished, yeah, Dad?
No.
Nah. Right guys, and that's the end of the video. No, seriously, it is. So what happened was that this video was filmed on the day when I gave back the Trofeo. So I was at my parents' house, filmed my dad take apart the Abarth, and yeah, I had to basically stay there anyway because I couldn't get home because I had no car. So we did all this work, taking the car apart. It was going to take us a hell lot longer than we expected. It wasn't all going to get done in the few hours in that afternoon we had together filming. It was going to take a good few days. So yeah, I went off to the garden centre with my mum. I lost interest. I got bored of watching this car take apart and no parts actually going on the thing. So I ended up, Dale came to pick me up and I was like, oh, let's just go, I'm fed up now. Basically the car then sat on the driveway, propped up in the air with its face off for a good couple of days, as obviously I was at work, Dad was off work, so we couldn't finish the car. And then the next time I came, a couple of days later, it was all back on as if nothing had ever happened. So yeah, so I'm sorry about that. I sort of, the idea was to get it all done in the afternoon, and I'd film the taking off, putting on, done in a few hours in an afternoon, but that wasn't obviously going to happen. So yeah, so I filmed us taking parts off the car, but I didn't quite film us putting the bits on, because obviously my dad did that alone. But I still hope you may have found this video interesting of how to take the front end off an Abarth, basically. And yeah, so yeah, I thought I'd still put this into a video. It may interest some of you guys, comparing the new and old sports cat and the old cat, for example, having a look at the induction kit, basically having a look at what's going on to the car. So yeah, I thought I'd make a video out of it anyway, because I was there for a while, so you know, would have wasted my time if I was not going to make it into a video. So the next video is going to be like part 1. The next video is going to be tomorrow, where we will be finally, all the bits will be then on the Abarth, and it goes to have its map done. So yeah, I hope you found this video a little bit interesting. Let me know in the comments below. I'll hopefully do more of these videos in the near future of us taking cars apart, as you never know what you might find. And as I said, we probably didn't have to take the whole front end off the car. My dad never done this before, so he was just going by his initiative at the time, so he ended up taking the whole front end off the car just so we could access things easier. People probably done it other ways, but that was his way of doing it. So yeah, as always, please subscribe, help my little channel grow, as I post obviously more automotive videos, which hopefully you enjoy. I try and do different styles of videos like I've just said. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification every time a video goes up on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video, which I promise, guys, is going to be a good one because it's wicked. See you later, guys. Bye. We're getting this car remapped today. Flipping